Our first profile is the newest addition to a practice that has been serving the health and medical needs of our community for over 20 years. Lake Primary Care Associates, part of the Florida Hospital Medical Group, welcomes Dr. Annie Rodriguez. She is not only well educated, but also an extremely diverse family physician, offering a wide scope of services of care for the entire family from the ages of 2 and older.
Well, I went to medical school in Nicaragua, and then I moved here and I trained in my specialty, family medicine, at the University of Alabama in Birmingham. Florida Hospital Medical Group invited me to come visit Lake County. I had the opportunity to meet, a lot of doctors in the area, doctors that have been here 20, 30 years. That's why I joined Dr. Charles Starley here in his office that's been here for over 25 years. I also got the opportunity to go to Florida Hospital Waterman, meet the facilities. And so to me, this place gave me the best of both of the worlds I wanted. One that would provide me with the technology, the up-to-date medications, up-to-date medicine in general, and have specialty available for me to refer to, if I needed to give my patients the proper care they need. But also it was a small enough community that gave that sense of, friendship, and we know you on a first name basis. So it was an easy choice for me. I come from a medical family. My father's a physician, my sister's a physician, my brother-in-law's a physician. My mother used to be a nurse. So I've grew up with this sense of, care for the other. And very energetic. My patients will tell you I'm bilingual. I speak Spanish as well. So for all those patients out there that have trouble finding somebody that they can express their self in their own language, that's also an added plus. So know that I will care for you the best as I can, and if I can, I will find somebody that can. I want the patients to know that when they come here, they're going to be treated with courtesy, that they're going to meet with a friendly staff when they come in, and they are going to meet with a friendly doctor. But somebody that has trained, that has studied, and it's going to give them the best care that I can. But also, most importantly, I want them to know that by the time they're gone, they know what they're being treated for, they know what medications they're on, why they are on it, possible side effects. And most importantly, that I want them to know that if they leave here and they forgot to ask something or they have any concern, they can always call. And a lot of patients will vouch for that. And they're surprised when I call them and see if they're like, "You're the doctor calling me?" Yes, I call them and answer all your questions. My favorite patient would be somebody that's a team player, somebody that understands that I do half the work. I do my job, I stay current, I look for current recommendations and guidelines, new medications that come on the market every day. But also the patient is the other half of the equation, because we're both looking to get to the same goal, which is to better their health. So as long as we both know what our job is in this equation, I think that's the recipe for success.
Lake Primary Care Associates is conveniently located in downtown Eustis, 1 block off Bay Street. Because they can relate to patient frustrations of having to wait long periods of time to see their physician, they offer same-day appointments. Now it's even easier to get an appointment with their online scheduling.